Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be working on two HP-85 desktop computers that I've recently acquired, both in non-working or partial working condition. I think so. The HP-85 is a classic all-in-one system based on HP early 1918 architecture Capricorn CPU, combining CPU, display, storage in a single enclosure. However, to do storage condition and components degradation system lights, these often develop multiple hardware's related faults. In this video I will perform the medical inspection and repair the process, including disassembly, visual component analysis, power-up diagnostic and troubleshooting at the board level. Well, look at common failure points as power supply instability, aging capacitor, interconnect issues, and potential logic board faults. I'll also cover cleaning, continuity checks, voltage measurement, and functional testing. This is practical hands-on restoration focused on understanding the system and preventing vintage HP hardware. Let's begin in repair process on these two HP-85 computers. let's go to the printer cleaning. First, cleaning all dust around the printer, the cleaning inside the header, and some cables and some parts, and then replace the rusty belts, the printer belts. It's very delicate part. I am not sure this can printer print well after cleaning, but take care to clean. I try to replace that CRTs. This is my before with markings with old calibration system, and now new appears pristine, clean, maybe a little rusty. I put on my operational layers. I replace on my other HP-85. I repaired it. I changed one ROM, system ROM. I changed the keyboard controller and changed the printer controller that produce continuous resets on the system. Well, I repaired my other HP-85. I replaced the the CRT with the other bad condition HP. I cleaned it outside the case, very dirty, very rusty parts, included some ICs that is custom ICs from HP. It's very hard to find. This is a chip that in charge of buffer I/O is a custom. Only chips not custom is memory. It's Intel or NEC clone dynamic RAM. Also ROM is a custom, have two or three pins for the different clock timing. The RAM chip, the RAM manager chip is custom also. I can replace some parts from my other HP, can solve it and work, and that is a very bad HP-85. I moved the CRT with that other because that this HP have the good CRT than my other HP, and do some cleaning processes. The keyboard also is very bad. The keyboard with that other HP is very bad, in bad condition. I try to clean, but I still have a lot of hard work to clean it. I cleaned the all parts on the chassis. I lost the metallization paintings. I lost of some parts. I check my board. I replace one ROM from another board. I need new buffer I/O because the other is very rusty. Can try to recover that, but also the cables are very bad. The flat C cables, that is very damaged.